Hi. Sorry. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Patrice kleurt scrap journaling. Okay, my previous video was the flip through of Celestian Garden. He has 22 pages. Celestial Garden is from Mindfull Images. I did a little work before. I am print the back from the papers from the kit. You can see I have used also writing papers, figures, text, stamps with all text, only colors that it's good that I am looking. That fits by Celestial. Okay. Some people ask me how you make signatures. It's good that I back that everything is okay. Wait, yes, and I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, I have always this bowl or this, and I use the black side because it's not scratching on the paper. What I do is only hold it down and I go over it. I have told that I'm going to use a lot of ink. I must cut the corners every time I say do the corners first, then ink. Every time I forget something. But this time I make a video, so I must not forget it. This is blue. I hope you can see it. And this kit is fabulous. I like it so much. Mindful Images nailed it this for me this time. Huge. And after this video, I will make the cover. I'm still not still thinking what to do with the cover. Is it okay? Yes. Okay. Pick my first and I put everything I hope now. Okay. In each other. I fell in love on the flowers and the jewels and the pearls and the gold and the butterflies. You can scrap with this kit, you can journal with this kit. So this is how I do it. Okay, first I will pick my corners. What to do with the corners? I go. Oh, I am thinking what to do. Let's see. Let me see. This. Yes. Not this one this time, but I will pick this one. This. Yes. Okay. Mm, it's a little bit uncomfortable for me because this is the first time that I use creating with video. So I will do one signature. My desk is always a mess when I am cutting. Also the floor. My husband say always to me, "Oh my God, what's this?" I am not so fast, but good work needs time. Some people say. When I am cutting, I am thinking forward what to do with the cover, with the signatures, what I will use. My head spins around and around. Sometimes I think I have 890. I know it's not a joke. I'm not joking about it, but yeah, I got. I want to use, but I don't know if the color is right. So I'm going to try. See, let me see. To yellow. It's too bright. So off I will pick up. Yes. Okay, again. I go. No, it's not. No, wait. I pick blue. Open China or shoot. I have too much. Let me see. No, no, no. Yes. Now I am happy. I have still my little inks. This is from the time that I do adult coloring, and I thought I made this um, up, and when I am, then I will buy the big ones. Sorry for my English. I try and I try to do better, speaking better English, but sometimes I can better. Shut up. And so I do every page. No, I do this as last for last, and then I'm going speeding up. Okay, now I have ink it all. So I go back. Put all my pages back. And I was forgetting to tell, I will putting envelopes in here. Envelopes and more. But the sewing and the cover I will do in the next video. And you can see I have not put the normal round corner, but with a figure, a little M on it. So this is for today, and the next video I will one signature sewing, and I think I do the cover. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope I see you back next time. Bye bye.